So today we are making a mug cake. So let's see how it comes up.
First we have to crush the biscuit,
Which we have already crushed. So
then we have to add some milk, little, not much. After that we have to put some ENO and mix it all together. We have to mix the mixture about 1 minute. We have to stir it, mix it well. After mixing it for 1 minute, it is ready and we have to put it in the microwave. Then we have to microwave this mixture about 2 minutes, and within 2 minutes it will be perfectly baked. We have to wait and we have to frequently check that if it is baked or not. And trust me, within 10 minutes you can eat the cake and it is amazing. And yes, it is ready to eat. Yummy, yummy chocolate cake. You can enjoy it with your colleagues, having some work. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Do try this recipe out, follow for more and subscribe our channel for get more videos like this.